back to the channel. I've actually got me some decals for my windows on my truck. So we're going to put them on there today. We're trying to work in between the rain. But it's rained for the last 2 days. One day they called for the rain. Yesterday they actually weren't calling for rain until real late. And it ended up started raining about, it was like 12 or 1 o'clock. And then it rained all the way up into the evening. And then today, it's actually gotten cold, and it's only about 30, right about 30 degrees, 32 right now maybe. But it's supposed to start raining again here in a little while, and they're actually calling for flash flood warnings. Like they're all over the place, flash flood warnings and stuff for the area where it's just rained so much. And then they're saying, you know, another inch or two of rain today, and then a possibility in some places even 3 inches of rain, and that's just crazy. So while we can, I'm gonna try to get these stickers on my truck because it's just dry enough right now, and hopefully not too cold, and they will actually stick and stay on after it starts raining. But I wanted to get these on there, and not much I can do outside right now. It is just so muddy. I mean, it's just mud everywhere. So anyways, we'll make do with what we can, and we'll get these on there. And time for the big reveal. Let's hope this worked out good. It's sticking good so far. Yeah, it looks good. It's got a couple little small air bubbles in there, but that's not something that you can see at a distance, so not too much worried about it unless it happened to start coming unstuck or something, but that stands out good. think they turned out really well. They stand out good. They should draw some attention, which is really what I want. I'd like to be able to advertise my channel, especially whenever I go on trips, which is the main purpose of why that I'm putting them on there. I'm getting the truck ready to go to the 2020 National Farm Machinery Show. We're going to be there checking out all the equipment, doing some videos, got some interviews, that kind of stuff. Plus, there's going to be thousands and thousands of people there. And, yeah, it's about a 3-hour drive for me, which kind of puts it out of the local area. And there's plenty of advertising and people to see, so I thought it'd be a cool way to do that. Anyways, guys, if there's anybody going to the National Farm Machinery Show this year, and you see me running around there, make sure you holler at me and say hi. It'd be great to meet some people that watch the channel, or even you know, other YouTube creators and stuff. Like I say, we're going to be there, but we are going to be checking out all the exhibits. There's tons and tons of machines and equipment and stuff there. I've got a few exhibitors I want to check out too. We're getting ready to start a fence project, or at least I think we are, probably in late spring, early summer, something like that. We've got about 10 acres of fence that we're going to be doing, and I'd like to be able to have a post hole digger that is rated for a Category 2 tractor, and there's a company there that does that, so we're going to check them out while we're there too. So make sure you click that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.